Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again. If you are watching this video, I want to know that I do care about you, and that is why I make this video. So please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to like this video, and thank you so much for watching. So let's get started. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a list in your Brevo account. So if you have a Brevo account and you are just getting started and you do not know how to start the simple steps, I am here for you. So number one, let's create a list. So the first thing you want to do if you want to create a list in Brevo is to create a folder, and you are creating a folder just to segment all of your lists in different segments. So let's say you have lists coming from your website, you have lists coming from your social media, you have lists coming from external sources like webinars and all of those stuff. You can be able to segment them by using a folder. So first of all, you want to create a folder and you want to name this folder. So I'm going to name this folder website leads. Then I want to click on create folder. So when I click on create folder, as you can see, the website list folder has been created. So what I want to do now is I want to create a list, and when I click on create list, it is going to ask me for the name of the list. And now as you can see, it has picked website leads automatically, and you can decide to change it to whatever you want, but I'm going to pick website leads, and I'm going to enter the list name, and I'm going to call it let's say Zoho CRM leads. After naming this list, then you've picked the folder, you can click on create list. So when you click on create list, you are going to see that this list has been created under this folder. So when you do this, you can click on this list and you can start creating contacts, or you can start importing your contacts. In my next video, I'll show you how to import contacts into Brevo. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.